without declaring martial law. Sinira ko yung mga tao na humahawak sa ekonomiya at umiisip. At hindi nagbabayad. They take advantage sa kanilang political power. Lucio Tan has almost 30 billion. He has to pay. He has to pay. Lahat he has to pay. I have directed the Department of Finance and the BIR to accept Mighty Corporation's offer of 25 billion to settle its tax liabilities.
Ang halagang ito na isa sa pinakamalaking tax settlement sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas ay ginamit sa rebuilding effort sa Marawi City at ganoon din sa Ormoc City na niyanig ng malakas na lindol.